Top 5 Natural Expectorant Herbs That Work. Healthier steps. Are you tired of relying on over-the-counter medications to alleviate congestion and cough? Look no further than the power of natural expectorant herbs. These incredible plants have been used for centuries to help break up mucus, soothe irritated airways, and promote respiratory health. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn cold or chronic bronchitis, incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can provide much-needed relief without the unwanted side effects of synthetic drugs. What is an expectorant? An expectorant is a medication or natural remedy that helps loosen and expel mucus, phlegm, and other secretions from the respiratory tract. It is commonly used to relieve symptoms associated with coughs, colds, bronchitis, and other respiratory conditions. When you have an upper respiratory infection or are exposed to irritants like dust or smoke, your body produces excess mucus as a defense mechanism. While mucus plays an important role in trapping foreign particles and protecting our airways, it can become thick and sticky when there is an underlying issue. This can lead to congestion, coughing fits, difficulty breathing, and discomfort. Expectorants work by thinning the viscosity of mucus secretions in the lungs and airways. They achieve this by increasing fluid production in the respiratory tract or reducing the stickiness of existing mucus. By doing so, expectorants make it easier for us to cough up phlegm and clear our airways more effectively. Common natural expectorant herbs. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus, also known as Eucalyptus globalis, is a tall evergreen tree native to Australia. It has a distinct smell and produces small white flowers. The leaves of the eucalyptus tree are commonly used to extract essential oil, which is widely used in medicine and aromatherapy. Eucalyptus contains compounds called cineol or eucalyptol that give it the characteristic aroma and respiratory benefits. It's especially known for its mucolytic properties, which help break down and loosen mucus in the respiratory system. This makes it easier for individuals suffering from respiratory conditions such as coughs, colds, bronchitis, or sinus congestion to expel phlegm. Benefits of eucalyptus expectorant properties. Clears congestion. Inhaling steam infused with eucalyptus oil or using eucalyptus products can help clear nasal congestion and relieve sinus pressure. Soothes coughs. Eucalyptus has an anti-inflammatory and soothing effect on sore throats and persistent coughs associated with respiratory illnesses. Enhances breathing. Eucalyptus improves breathing capacity for individuals who have asthma or other chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, COPD, by reducing inflammation in the airways and promoting mucus removal. Supports immune system. The antibacterial properties of eucalyptus may aid in boosting the immune system's ability to fight off harmful pathogens causing respiratory infections. How to use. Steam inhalation. Add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil to hot water in a bowl. Lean over the bowl, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam deeply for 5–10 minutes. Chest rub. Mix eucalyptus essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and gently massage it onto your chest. This can provide relief from congestion and coughing. Cover the applied area with a warm towel for 10–15 minutes for added benefits. Diffuser. Add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil with water or a carrier oil such as jojoba or almond oil before adding it to the diffuser and let it run for around 30 minutes at a time. Position yourself near the diffuser and inhale deeply while allowing the aromatic vapors from the eucalyptus to work their magic on your respiratory system. Eucalyptus tea. Boil water and add fresh or dried eucalyptus leaves, approximately 1 tablespoon per cup. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, strain the leaves and enjoy your aromatic tea. Sip slowly while inhaling the steam to experience relief from chest congestion. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions when using eucalyptus products. Skin irritation. Applying undiluted eucalyptus oil directly on the skin can cause irritation or sensitivity in certain individuals. Gastrointestinal upset. Ingesting large amounts of eucalyptus tea may lead to stomach upset, including nausea and vomiting. Interactions with medications. Eucalyptus oil may interfere with the effectiveness of drugs metabolized by the liver's cytochrome P450 system. Therefore, it is recommended to consult a healthcare professional before using eucalyptus as a natural expectorant if you are taking any prescription medications. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which acts as a natural expectorant. Menthol has been shown to have soothing effects on the airways while helping break down mucus buildup. This makes peppermint an excellent choice for relieving common respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, sinusitis, bronchitis, and asthma. Benefits of peppermint. Expectorant properties. By clearing the airways from excess mucus, peppermint helps ease coughing symptoms and provides relief. Ginger. Ginger, known scientifically as Zingiber officinale, is a popular herb that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices. Ginger contains various active compounds that contribute to its expectorant properties. One of these compounds is gingerol, which possesses anti-inflammatory effects on the respiratory system. By reducing inflammation in the airways, ginger can help alleviate symptoms associated with excess mucus production. Turmeric, widely known for its culinary uses and vibrant golden color, is also a powerful medicinal herb with numerous health benefits. Among its many applications, turmeric can serve as a natural expectorant, helping to relieve respiratory congestion and promote clear airways. Benefits of turmeric as an expectorant. Relieves coughs and congestion. Turmeric acts as a natural expectorant by promoting mucus secretion from the airways. Also, its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, thus soothing irritated airways caused by coughs and congestion. Facilitates mucus expulsion. The active compounds in turmeric aid in thinning mucus secretions while supporting their expulsion from the lungs. Commonly used as a flavor enhancer in various cuisines worldwide, garlic is also hailed for its medicinal properties, including relieving chest congestion and soothing the respiratory system. Garlic benefits as an expectorant herb. Mucus relief. Compounds in garlic help break down and expel excess mucus from the respiratory system. This makes it an effective remedy for individuals suffering from congestion due to common colds, allergies, or respiratory infections. Antimicrobial properties. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known for its antimicrobial effects. It can help combat bacteria responsible for respiratory infections such as bronchitis and sinusitis. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties found in garlic can alleviate inflammation within the airways caused by conditions like asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD.